Welcome to my channel TECHSOUL. Please like and subscribe my channel. Presenting Tecno Pop 7 Pro smartphone. It is available Uyuni blue and endless black color variant. You can choose between 2GB RAM and 64GB ROM and 3GB RAM 64GB ROM depending on your usage. 6.56 HD plus Dot Notch IPS display with 90% skin to body ratio. Truly brilliant vision. 120Hz touch sampling, IPX2 water resistant Panda Screen Protection Film, 12MP dual rear camera and dual flashlight. Experience best battery life with 5000 mAh battery. Type-C charging, 29 days long standby. The box includes smartphone, 10W power adapter, Type-C cable, TPU cover, SIM ejector tool, standard brand warranty. Below link is given. Click there to buy. Please like and subscribe my channel. Keep shopping with Amazon. Thank you.